Morning guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to do a print head alignment on your f2100. First thing I did was I put the platen height to 1. You can do that by loosening this bolt here, and you can just move this freely. So you get it to your number 1, tighten it up. I placed a single piece of paper here on the platen. You're going to go to menu, printer setup, head alignment. And this is just the size of your platen, so we're going to leave that on the standard platen there. And we're going to hit OK. It tells you to put your paper down. We're going to hit OK again. Alright, so we're back, and the thing we're going to look for is we're trying to see which square has the least amount of white space in it. I'm trying to get my camera to adjust here. So the printer is telling us the first one we're going to look at is the cyan. So from what I can tell, number 7 is the best. It's on 7, so we'll hit OK. And black, between 7 and 8, we're going to hit 7 as well. Alright, so that will do an adjustment, and you'll do a nozzle check to make sure all your nozzles are firing, and that should help with any alignment issues that you've been having. Thank you.